All right, guys. I just created a banger video and the computer cut off. So we might have to chill because I keep creating these banger videos and something spooky happens in the background. So I'm trying to figure out why. And it cut off when I was about to do something on screen. So protect Icy at all costs. That's what we're doing. But yeah, it's your boy Icy. We're back with another video. A baked beans video at that. And the miner is still going crazy. That was so annoying. I created a banger. I was going so hard, the computer went off. Do whatever we want to do with that information. 8% daily return. The BNB reward pool with the tastiest daily return and the lowest DEL fee. You know what I'm saying? Shouts out to Mental Boy. Shouts out to Crypto Corner. You know what I'm saying? So we got $15,615 in worth of BNB. Well, you know what? Hold on, my bad. We got 15,615 BNB in the contract. Now I went so hard the computer cut off, but guess what? We back. Now you guys been following the journey from when I was getting like 0.2 BNB, 0.1 BNB. My goal was to get to my goal was to get to 0.5 BNB. It felt like it took forever. Once I hit 0.5, I'm like, oh snap, okay. Next goal was 1.2 or 1.3, somewhere between there. Crack 1.5. I'm like, wow. A month of hard work actually paid off. I'm talking about a month of compounding like crazy. I hope y'all don't see that. I just slid on the screen. Hold on. Okay, y'all don't see that. All right, cool. I got pop-ups. This computer is real good, but the bloatware is criminal. So you guys see we have 700 million beans. And you can do it too. Please click the like button. Please subscribe to the like button. And comment down below how you feel about this project. BNB giveaway coming next week. And it's going to be a very easy choice because we don't have that many entries. Somebody going to win 1 BNB on camera. And like Spike Lee, I hope you do the right thing. You know? So now, fast forward to April 8th, 2022. We have 5+ AVAX in 24 hours. Let's go. We have and you can do it too. Ignore any weird troll in the comment section. Armchair comments section scholars. Ignore them. Because if you don't, you might miss an opportunity. You just might. Click the link in the description if you want to start your baked bean journey as well. Only invest what you're willing to part ways with. Only invest what you're willing to lose. And you should be good no matter what happens. Because this can go to zero tomorrow. This can go to zero but before the end of this video. You don't know. We don't know. However, DYOR, risk management is definitely a thing. You know what? I'm going to do it. Because anything can happen. You know what I'm saying? Anything can happen. So I just booted my computer back on. Because I went so hard. This computer cut off. Hello? Now somebody ain't gonna like that. I want so hard the computer cut off, y'all. So we're gonna crank that refresh. And we're gonna put something. We're gonna put something up in here. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead. That's 0.015 extra worth for BNB. Right, just like that. Now do not let any weird person trick you out of your divinity. Do not let anybody weird trick you out of your greatness. And do not let a DeFi scholar in the comment section confuse you and trick you out of getting paid. Because they will try. A lot of times it starts off in your own house. Don't let them do it, y'all. Let's crank that refresh again. Because this contract got legs. This contract got legs. Or am I wilding? Let's crank that refresh. An extra 2 BNB up in here. Nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna add to it. We're trying to get this number right here to 800 million beans. How much is a bean worth? We're trying to get this number right here to 800 million beans. Or I could take this and do something else with it. The choice is yours. But y'all know how we do it. We put in more than what we take out. That's how we do it. You're trying to grow your bag, compound 6 times, withdraw 1 time. Or, you know, do your thing. Do your thing. Because I like playing the refresh game. You know? And shouts out to everybody who helped me along the way. That's why I give back as much as possible. This platform don't have one of those airdrop features. So, hey, you got to do what you got to do. I gave out the directions in the video. You guys got to find that video. And we're giving away 1 BNB. 1 BNB to 1 person. Now, I can spread that out to multiple people, but I want to go real hard for 1 person. Because that 1 BNB could change somebody's life. You know what I'm saying? Especially if they do the right thing with it. Especially if they start doing the right thing. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Let's go ahead and create the refresh again. And then we're going to create that rebate and then we out. A humble 2 more BNB. Not too shabby. Let's crank that rebate. Please don't tell me I got insufficient funds. We're not trying to hear that right now. Confirm. Perfect timing. Now we're going to create that refresh. And we're going to see if we hit the goal. Boom. We there. We hit the goal. We hit the goal. Now, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. If you want to start this journey with the Baked Beans crew, merch, photos of merch coming soon. Holla back. We're going to create that refresh. Make sure something's popping off. And y'all see things is popping off. So I don't know what else to show you. But this is something we're doing. Make sure you guys do your own research. Consult with your financial advisor. And if you want to invest 8% daily on your investment, click the link in the description. I'll see you guys on the next video.